Delete duplicate Acrobat files. Adobe Acrobat is a hot favorite PDF creator and editor software program. It offers amazing features, but what's missing is a way out to deal with duplicates. Clone Files Checker does the job with perfection. Let's see how it can be used to delete duplicate Acrobat files it detects during the duplicate scan. 1. Download the CFC setup file and execute it to install the program. 2. Open up Clone Files Checker from the desktop shortcut and click the Add button to add up all locations you want to scan. 3. Select the All Files option and then hit Start Search. 4. Patiently wait while CFC does the magic. 5. When you see the scan results pop up, click Quick Fix. 6. Choose if you want to retain the newest or oldest Acrobat file from each duplicate group. 7. Click Permanent Delete to purge all the duplicate Acrobat files for good. 8. Click Continue. Mission accomplished.